morning students. Now in the second part of the explanation of lesson number 3, I will be explaining you about the cellulosic type of synthetic fibers. So, very good example of the cellulosic type of synthetic fiber is rayon, and this rayon fiber is the first man-made fiber which is prepared by chemical processing or chemical treatment of the cellulose, which is a type of polymer present in the wood pulp of the plants. So this rayon, which is very good example of the cellulosic type of synthetic fiber, is how it is made. This is made from the cellulose, which is obtained from the wood pulp of the plant by chemical treatment. So by chemically treating this cellulose, which is obtained from the wood pulp of the plant, this rayon type of cellulosic synthetic fiber is prepared or made. Second important thing about this rayon is why this need of has arisen for making the substitute, and this rayon fiber is used as a substitute for one natural fiber which is called as the silk. So here I will tell you some of the characteristic features due to which we prefer to use silk fiber for making the clothes. First, it is the silk fibers. They are strong, natural fiber. They are soft, lustrous, and as well as they are having very beautiful texture, as well as they are also very expensive. So these are some of the characteristics due to which the silk fibers are used for making the clothes. But since the manufacturing of the silk fiber is very expensive, therefore the scientists thought that they should make one artificial type of fiber in which all the qualities of the silk natural fibers are present. Like that fiber should be strong, it should be soft, lustrous, and having beautiful texture, and also comfortable to wear, and it is also very less expensive. Means in the manufacturing of this rayon type of fiber, less amount of money is used. So as a result, in the 19th century, the scientists have succeeded in making the rayon type of synthetic fiber by chemically treating the cellulose, which is obtained from the wood pulp of the plant. Now after this, students, I will tell you some of the properties of the rayon fibers. So first important property of the rayon fiber is what? That it is soft and shiny or lustrous. Means it is having shine. The fibers of the rayon, they are very shiny in appearance, similar to that of the silk fiber. Second important thing, that the clothes which are made up of rayon type of fiber is very comfortable to wear. Third important property of the rayon fiber is that they absorb the moisture. They absorb the moisture, as well as they can be dyed into different colors. So these are some of the properties of the rayon type of cellulosic synthetic fiber. Now I will explain you about one more type of fiber which belong to the second category of the synthetic fiber, that is the non-cellulosic type of synthetic fibers, and among them three types of fibers are included in your syllabus. First one is nylon, second polyester, and third is the acrylic. So these are the three examples of non-cellulosic type of synthetic fibers. First is what? Nylon is there, second is polyester, and third is acrylic. Now students, I will tell you about the non-cellulosic type of synthetic fibers. So these non-cellulosic type of synthetic fibers, they are mainly made from the chemical substances. They are mainly made from the chemical substances, and in the manufacturing of this type of synthetic fiber, no raw material is used which is obtained from the plants or animals. And among this category, three types of fibers are there, that is the nylon, polyester, and acrylic. Now I will explain the first type of fiber, that is called the nylon. And this nylon fiber is the first man-made purely synthetic fiber. Here no raw material which is obtained from the plants or animal is used for the manufacturing of the nylon type of synthetic fiber. And this nylon fiber was for the first time manufactured in the DuPont company, which is located in USA, in the year 1939. So this is the information related with the discovery or manufacturing of the nylon fiber. Second important characteristic feature about this nylon fiber is that it is entirely made by using the chemicals. Here no raw material obtained from the plants or animals are used for making the nylon type of synthetic fiber. Now this nylon type of synthetic fiber is also having some advantageous properties. First is what? It is strong and elastic, means it is stretchable. These nylon fibers can be easily stretched. Then they are strong, they are light in weight, they dry up very quickly, as well as they do not wrinkle. So these are some of the properties of the nylon type of non-cellulosic synthetic fibers, and they are mainly used for various purposes. It is used for making the swimwears, raincoats, umbrellas, hats, as well as leggings. So the nylon fiber is used for making these type of things. Second important use of nylon fiber is that it is used for making various type of things like the curtains, carpets, ropes, and packing materials. Besides this, it is also used for making the toothbrush and bath sponges, as well as it is also used for making the fishing nets and parachutes. Because these fibers, nylon fibers, they are very light in weight, they are strong, durable, elastic, and they dry up very quickly. So because of these properties of the nylon fibers, they are also used for making the fishing nets and the parachutes. Now I will tell you about the second type of non-cellulosic synthetic fiber, that is the polyester. And this polyester type of synthetic fiber is made from the polymer of one chemical which is called as ester. So if anybody asks you that the polyester type of non-cellulosic synthetic fiber is made up of polymer of which chemical substance, then you will say it is made up of polymer of ester. Second important thing about this polyester type of non-cellulosic synthetic fiber is that there are many different varieties of polyester are there. Among them, one is there, that is the terylene and PET. PET, P-E-T, and the full form of this PET is polyethylene terephthalate. So, if anybody asks you what is the expanded form of the PET, PET, then you will say the expanded form of PET, which is a variety of polyester, is polyethylene terephthalate. And this terylene, which is also example of variety of polyester, it is used for making various types of fabrics. And this polyester is also mixed with various types of natural fibers to form the fabrics. Now I will tell you about the properties of polyester. So similar to the properties of the nylon fibers, these polyester fibers are also very strong, elastic, they dry up very quickly, they do not wrinkle, and they are easy to wash. So these are some of the properties of the polyester type of synthetic fiber. These polyester type of synthetic fibers, they are also interwoven with the natural fibers to form a type of fabric which is wrinkle free, which does not wrinkle. Such type of fabric is made by interweaving or mixing the polyester fiber with the natural fiber. And the name of the two such type of wrinkle free fabrics are polycotton, polycot and polywool. So this polywool is a wrinkle free fabric which is made by mixing the polyester fiber with the cotton, whereas polywool is the wrinkle free fabric which is formed as a result of mixing of the polyester fiber with that of the wool fiber. Now I will tell you one use of this variety of polyester, that is called the PET or polyethylene terephthalate. It is used for making the bottles and storage containers. So this is the use of the PET variety of the polyester. Now I will explain you about the last type of non-cellulosic synthetic fiber, which is called as the acrylic. And this acrylic type of non-cellulosic synthetic fiber is the fourth and the last type of non-cellulosic synthetic fiber, that is the acrylic fiber. And this acrylic fiber is made from the chemical substance which is a polymer of polyacrylonitrile. So you should remember the difference between the polyester and acrylic. That is, the polyester type of non-cellulosic synthetic fiber is made from the polymer of ester, whereas the acrylic type of non-cellulosic synthetic fiber, it is made from the polymer of polyacrylonitrile. So you students, you learn it and remember it. Sometimes in very short answer question it is asked that polyester is made up of which polymer, and acrylic type of non-cellulosic synthetic fiber is made of polymer of which chemical substance. Then you will say the acrylic type of non-cellulosic synthetic fiber is made with from the polymer of polyacrylonitrile. And this acrylic type of synthetic fiber is having the characteristics similar to one natural fiber, that is wool. What are the properties of these acrylic fibers? That is, the first property of this acrylic fiber is that it is soft, light in weight, and helps in keeping the body warm like the wool fiber does. And due to this reason, this acrylic fiber is used as a substitute of one natural fiber, that is wool. It is durable also, it is less expensive, and therefore these acrylic fibers, they are used for making the blankets as well as for making the sweaters, etc. One more property of this acrylic fiber is there, that they are cheaper than the wool fiber and they are resistant to the variation in the weather conditions. So with this we come to an end of the explanation of the various types of synthetic fibers. Now students, note down the homework for today. Your homework is learn about the various types of synthetic fibers. Thank you and have a nice day.